Good guys, this is G, so back at it again with another video. What's good? My name is Michelle. If you guys are new here, this is actually gonna be my first vlog ever. I actually tried to do vlogs before, believe me, I did, but I just didn't know what to do, and like I didn't know what to say, so I kind of blanked out. But this is gonna be like take 16, because honestly I've tried it before. Like, even years ago I've tried it before, but I know it didn't work out. Makeup worked out for me, and yeah, and I keep learning along the way, so that's like a bonus. Like if I fuck up on something, I learn something, then I do it right the next time. But anyways, so this is gonna be my first vlog, and for starters I kind of wanted to introduce you guys to myself, because I felt like I haven't done that. Like I probably only said my name, and that's it. If you guys don't know my name, you guys just heard, my name is Michelle, and I am basically 22, because my birthday is August 28th, so I'm 21 right now, and I'm gonna be 22 pretty soon, next month, so yeah. I don't keep track of my birthday, so I had to look at like the calendar right here. But anyways, I have 2 kids. I have 1 son, 1 daughter. My son's name is Ethan, and he is 6 years old. You can hear my baby girl in the background. This is pretty much what you're gonna hear if I ever vlog. This is what you're gonna hear all the time, maybe even more because of him. So, and then she is actually 10 months today. My baby girl, she's growing up so fast. I can't believe it. Like so yeah, she is 10 months. He is 6 years old. He is gonna be in 2nd grade pretty soon, so we're excited. He's excited. I'm just right now in vacation. I'm just like preparing him for 2nd grade. I don't know what they do in 2nd grade. I kind of feel like they do multiplications, so I'm just getting him started on that. If they're not doing multiplications yet and I'm like bringing him ahead, I'm gonna be like, holy shit. Either way, that'll be good anyway, because your homegirl right here, I don't know my multiplications. Like I'm not gonna lie, like I don't know what you're talking about. But now I'm like, everything that he's learning, I learn with him. So it's like a restart. But yes, I graduated high school, right? I don't know how, but I did it, bitch. What else can I say about me? Pretty much that's all I can think of right now. But if you guys have any questions about me, if you guys want to get to know me more, if you want me to do a Q&A ever, like on another separate video, because when it comes to an introduction of myself, it's just like a job interview. When they say, tell me about yourself, I'm the same here. I'm just like my name's Michelle. I think you read that already. I'm 21, but I think you read that too. I have kids, and that's it. Like I don't know what else to say. Like I black out. I don't know what to say. I'm just like, can I just get the job, bitch? Like you're hiring, so you want me or not? Like I need money. So I feel like it's gonna be better if you guys just ask me questions down in the comments below. You guys can ask me questions till the end, so I can do a separate video, like a Q&A, so you guys can get to know me more and shit. Cause as of now, I really like can't think of anything weird. So like help a homegirl out. If you guys wanna know more about me, right? Help me, help you, help each other. You know. Okay. So right now I actually just got ready, and also if you guys want to see this eyeshadow, make sure you guys go check out that previous video. It'll be right there, if you guys want to check that shit out. Also, I actually got ready because my son's in a basketball team. Oh, that's another thing, right? He's in a basketball team. He's a basketball player. He actually went last year, and now he's going back again this year, and he's actually gonna start playing today. So we're gonna go over there. I'm gonna show you guys how he's doing and everything. It's kind of been a minute because they do it every summer, so I hope you remember stuff. Well, he told me he does. but we'll see when we get there. It's actually pretty fun to see your kids play the sport. Like, I never played a sport. I never wanted to. My mom always wanted me to, but I never, like, I was just busy being like a bad kid, you know. Enough said. Say no more. Yeah. Yeah, I was just a bad little ass. So we're gonna go over there and you guys are gonna get to see him play as well. I'm super excited. I just loved seeing my son last year in his little basketball uniform and everything, and I thought he was looking so cool. I was like, damn, he looks really good, like, okay. And yeah, I'm super excited. Plus he got a trophy, so I was like super excited, and that's why I had to get him this year. I asked him, like, do you want to change the sport, do you want to have basketball? And he just chose basketball because there was no baseball, or else he would have been taking that already, but that's only like in the springtime and shit. So alright guys, as you can see, I have the car seat behind me. We're like ready to go. I don't even know why it's here, but anyway, right there. So right now, before we head to his game, we're actually in our spot. Tomorrow is July 4th. We're just gonna get some fireworks, so let's go. Let's see what we find, because it's a day before. I don't think there's gonna be a lot. So we're barely heading over there. This is like the beginning of the alley, and this is the way that we always take to come in here. I've always done before the car, with the car. We just always started in this street, entering the alley. Many people enter from different ways. That's all cool, but I'm just showing you guys how we enter. It's hot, guys.
Como él ya las quiere acabar y son las dos últimas, ya 85. Es último precio. Qué bonito se te ven tus ojos. ¿Verdad? Mira. ¿Le pones el de glitter o qué? Sí, vino ahorita un muchacho, dijo que las quería, pero que ahorita regresaba, porque como no dejó dinero, que iba a ir a sacar del banco supuestamente. Pero sí, ya son las dos últimas. Las estuvo dando el muchacho hasta 120.
¿Y estas?
15. A mí, no, ¿cuáles?
Las
Esas 10.
Las 3.
10.
¿Estas qué hacen?
15. Estas son las que te has fijado que las avientan para allá y no sale así como y luego muchas estrellitas, sí, pero arriba de colores. Ajá. Son esas.
Oh, okay. These are fireworks, baby. Careful.
I want to buy some.
Pero no es muy buen precio.
I want to buy some during the 4th of July. Like
como esta, la grande o la chiquita, como quieras. O 3 por 25. Tienen los estos que tienen 45 tiros, los que le pones eso. Y luego aparte tienen esto para los niñitos. Ay, hijo, la entré. Chris. Chris.
Basketball today? Yeah? You had a great time? Nobody made any shots today? But next time maybe you guys will, right? Today was just practice and you did good. And you got your basketball uniform. His basketball practice just finished. As you can see, he looks red, he's sweaty. So we're just gonna stop to eat right now, and I think I'm just gonna end the vlog here because my head is hurting so bad. It's crazy. I have a headache, I'm really hungry, so I'm gonna go eat right now some Taco Bell. And
yeah, and we're gonna buy some drinks today. Well, we're going to Taco Bell. I want to see what it's like. Great.
anyways, what I got in the alleys, I'm just gonna show you guys right here because later on I'm not gonna be in the mood, I know it. So I got a couple of nails. I don't know if you guys can see. They were just cheap, and I just, and of course your homegirl had to get some food, you know. So yeah, there, you know, you guys know I always have done my nails, so I had to get that. I feel like I haven't done them in a minute, and I've been looking crazy. I feel like I have little boy hands, so I'm just gonna go eat right now. And I also got the fireworks. I think I am gonna show you that, guy. I think I am gonna show you guys that later on, but right now I'm just focusing on eating taco. So you guys can see right here. Bye guys.